Oh, welcome. I'm going to have an amazing session with you today. Let's jump right in. Hello, my friends. I'm going to speak of changing your mind so you can attain eternity. It is not the next day thing. You need to integrate. I'll start over. You need to integrate yourself in society, in most cases, to cultivate experiences in which your mind changes. Without experiences and challenges, insertion, nothing can change. Without this insertion in society, nothing can change. You have to be involved. Let's expose some more secrets. Feeling sorry for oneself is said to be addictive. Detect and eliminate it ASAP. Lingering sorry of yourself thoughts places you in a negative frequency. Next, finding faults in others is not recommended. The more judgmental your mind is, the less peace you have. Letting things go is important. Next, hurtful thoughts about others is an ego that's trying to control and hurt you. However, see someone for the first time, it's not whenever you see someone for the first time, your reaction should be that you not a fight or flight response. It should not be a fight or flight response that school teaches it as being set in stone, which is not true. So that shouldn't be a fight or flight response when you see someone for the first time. You should express a friendly tone. She is my friend when you see them for the first time. No insults. Your self-esteem may also be a culprit. An insecure soul uses fight or flight school-taught reactions. Make the world a better place. Maybe the world is not out to get you. Rather, see kindness in others' eyes, not fearful of evil gazes. Maybe the gaze was nice, but your insecurities interpreted it as a vengeance. If someone's eyes gazes scares you, focus on their lyrics. If your mind visualizes words spoken, your attention is less on the emotion of fear and more on the person speaking. And currently, I am in the silence mode expressed by Allah, God, Universe, Buddha, Jesus, my higher self. I sense his emotions, they give me direction. My mind is no longer bombarded with difficult to stop negative thoughts. And that's exactly what my higher self, your higher self wants. After you reach, there is more transformation. After you reach this stage, the transformation never stops. So that's it for today. We're at 3 minutes and 7 seconds. I hope you got some material from this. I like to hear in the comments what you feel, and also my ebook 108 Eternal Life Guidances will be in the in the bottom description. Get your hands on it, and it's one page, has one quote, and it's transformative, as are my videos that are on YouTube. Okay, thank you for your time with me. Bye.